Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! Welcome to my silence. Beautiful silence. Is it? Hi guys! Ayush, look straight up.
1 second, this is silent.
Hi guys! Welcome to my latest vlog. Brothers are fooling around.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Hi guys! Welcome to my new vlog. Finally, I'm shooting after a long time. I had a little task planned up for which I was waiting for Samar, the younger one, who's still working, which is great. During lockdown to get a break on a Friday. Ayush and me are left kind of like without much work right now lately.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
So today is a Saturday, so Samar agreed to do the shoot on Saturday. So that is Samar. And this is Ayush. Both of them are brothers. Ayush is the elder one, Samar is the younger one. They are my Kaka Kaki's children. We live in a joint family, so it's 10 of us together. Makes it all the more fun, or not. But so the task for today, I've told them what the task is, but I've not given them everything. You'll get to know shortly. So basically, guys, the task that you guys know is that I'm going to show you 3 of our pictures during our childhood, and we have to recreate that, and we have to do it quickly, like 5 minutes. We have to get ready. So it doesn't have to be like fully dressed up, but you make your own version of it. Do you guys remember the pictures we've clicked?
I don't remember the picture.
Yeah, there's some fun
I remember
ones.
few are probably the
There's
ones
some
that
you put on
from
Facebook.
Dasai and all.
There's some which you put on Facebook, and those old pictures also, no? We have those old albums.
Yeah.
Probably.
It was actually, you know, usually when we take pictures, there's 6 of us.
Whole
couples.
jhund is there.
Yeah, the whole
Remember
jhund.
my Salman Khan face, let's take pictures. Don't put that on.
And dance to Oh Jana Jana. Topless. I guess we should have recreated that one.
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज़
But it was tough for us to find
Why
3
you
people
show
together.
body?
Body. Not the you guys, I've shown it.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
No, in that I'm completely naked.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Someone was naked a whole of his childhood. We all know what it looks like down there. So it was very tough for me to find like 3 good pictures of only the 3 of us, because it's usually with our family members, with our parents, or with the other cousins. So I found some really cool ones. So are you guys ready? Let me show you guys the first one. The first one is the obvious one which they know about, because that's one popular picture of all of us, which is this.
Yeah, this is not very tough for me to recreate.
What will I do? I don't have anything golden yellow.
That's
When
okay.
you have
Just
to
any
Nepali
Nepali.
look.
You have to, that's the task. You just quickly just wear it. It takes about 2 minutes. The thing is not only for the YouTube, but when we click a picture and post it, it should create an impact, yeah? Okay. So the first picture is this. This is the second one. It's easy, whatever
Oh,
outfit
but we
we're
don't
wearing.
have the thing, no?
No, we don't have to wear the mala, but this location, okay? Some similar pose.
And Tika?
Okay.
Let's
No,
do
not
one by
Tika.
one. Oh.
Yeah, one by one. This is the
And the
second
other one?
picture, and the other one is very interesting. First, so this other one, this is the picture that we clicked when we were, I think, I was 5, he was 4, Samar was 3.
This is Godavari or somewhere. One of the
So-
picnics.
No, this is
Picnics,
home.
one of the picnics.
No, this is not that
home.
picnic one. The picnic one was with 6 of us. So
It's at home only, right?
this is our home behind, and then after 10 years we took this picture as a reunion.
To recreate that
We
one.
recreated that one. So now it's been 10 years, so we can recreate it with our own creative freedom, whatever we want to wear. So I think we can wear the outfits we are wearing right now for this picture, and we can decide where to shoot.
In the first one, it's like a train. In the second one, I don't know what I have liked. I was like,
Then you're a brat here also, you're like...
no, this is like a train. You're doing, you know, chuk they do this, you do it.
Okay, so these are the 3. I think we should start with
This
this
one.
recreating one, because we
Yeah.
can wear the same outfit. We'll do it out only.
Yeah, let's
Not because I think the first one was out. Then obviously this topi one. As always, Summer a brat. He's doing something or the other.
I'm not brat, it's fidgety.
He was a naughty brat, Summer. Ayush and me both are struggling with the sunlight, and Summer doesn't care. He's just posing and looking, I don't know where. So we're going with the first, with this particular look right now, because we can wear the same outfit. There's no rule, and after that we'll switch to our Nepali clothes and click the other two. Let's get going, guys. So this is the picture. Okay, you have to click something like this. We did this after 10 years.
I see.
So this is next. Right? Someone come here. Ayush is gonna be here. This is your pose.
This?
Yeah. Okay. Ayush, you're behind.
This have to do this.
Smiling, but you're giving a sweet like a tilt. Yeah. You're giving like that pouty thing.
Okay.
Mamu, come see the picture and click accordingly.
Okay. You want to see it again one more time, children?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's try
Okay.
getting it accurate. Good.
Wait.
Coming nice angle.
Yeah, perfect. Just like with the
Go
blue
little
skies
lower.
also.
Ayush. Yeah.
Oh.
Not Summer, right?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Parakram, are you sure it's you are the one? There, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Is it nice? Not this. This. His leg is in the tip.
This is a classic
Leave lots
one.
of space above my head.
Okay. Okay.
Sky is looking so pretty.
No. Chiru, children. 1, 2, 3.
We're done with the first picture. Now the second picture that we'll be shooting and the third one are both in Nepali outfits. We're not going to wear the mala and the tika. Tara, the Nepali outfits are going to wear the Nepali topi. My hair's going to get ruined. Let's get going. So that second picture that we are taking with my bag in my hand, it's very fascinating because you can see that since a kid, I had qualities in me where I used to play with Barbie dolls, I used to carry women co bags, and the good part was that my family members never stopped me from doing that. Ayush and Summer loved playing the Action Man, G.I. Joe, which I enjoyed too, but I also played with Barbie dolls alongside the G.I. Joes and the Action Man. My brothers don't believe I'm making them do this, but perks of being an elder brother, they gotta do what I tell them to do. Like, I'm like, shut up. They're like, you're really gonna make us change into Nepali outfits? And I'm like, hell yes. You do as I say. I love being the elder one. The sun is so harsh, but I'm gonna have to fix it in the post-production. I've got something so perfect. Aha! That's the last of my hair. Oh. I'm ready. I don't know if I've done it the right way. Huh? Ready? Ayush, you really did my topi well, yeah?
Wow, Ayush. Summer.
Sky out here.
Yeah.
That's all we can show you of Uruva. This is our spot, and I'm looking good. My hair is ruined.
Sabru, look what you're doing.
So here, we're gonna be here.
So cute. Okay.
Ayush is here, a little here. Ayush, you're next to this, yeah. Yeah, this is your spot. Summer, come.
You should done this in the morning. Because the shadow is falling that side.
Yeah, no?
Now I think we'll do it tomorrow now.
You want to get dressed tomorrow again?
So do this. This is yours. See there?
I got it, I've got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you.
Fully, oh, both. Ayush, so sweet expression.
Selling dope like Nako, Balo.
My picture, something. Yeah. That was the gap.
1, 2, 3, start. These are poses. I think.
Let's see.
Have a look.
Yeah. Make a sweet face. So you're looking at the camera, you're like this. You look towards the camera. Okay, yeah.
Okay, come on. Start with your poses. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah?
And here, see?
It's the right angle.
Okay, so you both have to change for this next. Quickly though. Some it won't take time. Ayush? Ayush, you have to look somewhere there.
Yeah, this is the best.
Yeah. And you guys speak something. You guys have not spoken a word this whole YouTube video. So give some footage, like, you know, just laugh it off. Which
Oh, there's a good fight going for war.
No, that's
Yeah.
alright. It's okay.
That's fine.
Samar,
Okay, ready?
can we start? Started. Oh, you're supposed to look there?
Where am I supposed to?
1,
You're
2,
looking there in that
3. 1, 2, 3.
You don't smile in these photos.
No, we don't smile.
You weren't allowed to smile, right?
Okay. Wow, what a pose, yaar.
Is my eyes like, let me see.
Like now.
Coco has just parked himself here. Sure.
Very nice.
bad.
Papa, we have to take part. It's very pokey, this glass. Done?
I think we got
We
it.
got it. We wasted, we wasted. Thank you.
Nice. That's all.
Now we have to do
Done?
the finisher also.
Now we are done. So we are done with the pictures. The second and third one turned out really fast. It only took us time to get ready.